Do you know that Reddit has generated 5 billion page views from nearly 86 million unique monthly visitors? It has targeted communities organized around every conceivable topic. It's also the largest, most influential, and most engaged community on the internet, as well as the self-proclaimed front page of the internet. You may think advertising on Reddit is an uphill battle, and it may not be worth it. But in fact, Reddit is a wide open platform for advertisers who are willing to spend time doing Reddit advertising correctly. So, how do you advertise your store correctly and effectively on Reddit? We'll discuss that in this video. First, you need to understand both the opportunities and downsides of Reddit. Reddit is a site where people submit links to a specific subreddit that pertains to a certain topic, and users vote it up or down. Every Reddit user has a front page, which is the top post at any given moment from all their subscribed subreddits. Your opportunity to advertise on Reddit is to pay to have the top post. But an even bigger opportunity on Reddit is that there are subreddits organized around every conceivable topic and interest. However, there are potential issues that can be a major downside or opportunity depending on your outlook. Redditors have a well-known and active disdain for marketers and advertising people. They are particularly aware and have a high consciousness around products and companies. If your product is awful, then Reddit is not going to be a good fit for you. But it's not just about knowing the right opportunity when you see it. Knowing the right time to post on Reddit makes a difference too. Just like social media outlets like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, Reddit does have a best time to post. There are many different times of days and weeks when posts have done well on Reddit. As long as you do not try to post a piece of content from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., any time is a good opportunity to generate more traffic to your store. In order to understand if Reddit is going to make sense as a marketing channel for your store, we first need to understand the demographics of the people that make up the community. According to statistics, Reddit is largely comprised of users between the ages of 18 and 34, which is a good sign because this demographic does a lot of online shopping. But here is one thing, the website is made up largely of male users. However, the percentage of males may not be quite as high as people might assume. There is a sizable population of female Redditors that should not be overlooked by marketers who are trying to get female-friendly content discovered, even though they make up only 35% of total users. For marketers and business owners alike, the most interesting data about Reddit is the breakdown of income levels. About 75% of Redditors make between $0 and $50,000 a year, which means businesses selling expensive luxury products are unlikely to find much success. For small businesses selling affordable products, these statistics should make it even clearer to you and your business that advertising on Reddit is a viable option. As I said earlier, you do have to pay for a top post. It's the top post on particular subreddits that you're looking to advertise on. This also dovetails into what you are really buying, which is a Reddit post that will instantly be at the top. Reddit has a full list of frequently asked questions, but the basic rule is to be cool. My advice is not to put any misleading headlines and weird redirects if you want an approval for your ad. All Reddit ads are 75 cents CPM, which means you get 1,000 views for 75 cents. As a comparison, the Google Display Network usually runs around $2 CPM, and Facebook CPM hovers around $1.25. Unlike Facebook, where you advertise to people who might like your topic but might not be interested at the moment, advertising on a subreddit allows you to get in front of people who are actively thinking about the topic when they see your ad. Subreddits can be created by anyone about anything. They have no naming conventions and create a huge universe of communities. It can be daunting to browse and sort. Reddit has all the not-so-cool stuff existing on the internet in general, which automated processes have a hard time sifting through. If you try to automate the process, you'll probably end up somewhere you don't want to be. This is the reason why I recommend that you do general Reddit research as a starting point, and then follow the links. Nearly all subreddits link to other subreddits and recommend other communities. If you are willing to do research, you will quickly find the big ones and will be able to click and dig up a few communities that look interesting.